Starting an online business sounds exciting, but where do you begin? Especially if you have zero experience. Well, today I'm going to show you the easiest and most beginner-friendly way to start making money online with your own online business using digital marketing. Hey, this is Colin. I help beginners who are struggling financially to start and grow an online business using digital marketing. So if you've been looking and searching for a way to make money online, but feel overwhelmed by all the options, I get it. I've been there too. When I first started, I wasted time. Business models that just were too complicated, required too much money up front, or just didn't work. Everything changed when I discovered digital products. Digital products are the simplest way to start an online business because they don't require inventory, shipping, or customer service. You create a product once and you sell it over and over again. Plus, they have practically zero startup costs, so it makes it perfect for beginners. So in this video, I'm going to break it down step by step on how you can get started today. So if you like videos like this that show you how to start making money online, digital products, digital marketing, make sure that you smash that like button, drop me a comment down below, and hey, let me know where you're watching the video from. So drop me a comment letting me know where in the world you are, what province, state, country, where in the world you are watching this video from, and then make sure you subscribe for more videos like this in the future. So let's get started. Okay, so step number one, the first thing that you're going to want to do, of course, is you're going to want to create your product. You're going to choose your digital product. You know, what kind of digital product do you want to be selling online? Now, some of the easiest options for beginners to choose from are things like an ebook. An ebook is great. An ebook or a guide, very simple to create, very simple to get going with. You can choose an ebook that you can teach a skill, something that you are skilled at already. Just share your knowledge, share something that you're passionate about, that you know something about in a simple guide. It doesn't need to be really complicated. Just as long as you're delivering value in that guide. You can sell, for digital products, printables, trackers, planners, stuff like that. These include budget planners, day planners, financial planners, ADHD planners, templates that you can choose, and you can sell templates. Next, you can sell online courses. This is a little bit more comprehensive than just an ebook or a guide, but you can create a course, a comprehensive course with videos. Again, just teach something that you already know, something that you're passionate about, some skills that you already have. Just think about the skills, the expertise that you already have, your hobbies, things that you're passionate about already. You probably know something that somebody is willing to pay for. Somebody's searching, somebody's looking to learn something, and they're willing to pay for that information. And that could be information that you already have. You just need to pen that to paper. You just need to create a simple product about that and get that out there to these people. Really simple to do. Step number two. Now, this is creating your product. Now that you've chosen what you wanted to do, what you wanted to sell to people as far as a digital product, now we're going to want to go and create this product. Well, how do we do that? Don't worry, this doesn't need to be complicated. Here are some easy, simple ways to start creating a digital product. For the ebooks, guides, you can simply use, Google. You could use, or your Google Docs, your Google Sheets. You could use Google to create a Word document and then just convert it into a PDF. Or then you could also go and use Canva. You can use Canva and create some beautiful, pretty, magazine type looking books and guides using Canva with all the graphics and pictures. Very cool to use Canva. Printables and templates. Again, you could just use the same tools. You could use your Google Docs and Google Sheets, and you could use Canva as well to start creating all these planners and templates. All use Canva to do that as well. Very simple. Online courses. Well, online courses, you can just simply use your camera. Just pick up your phone like this and then just start, filming yourself, creating short little videos. That's all you got to do. Or you could use a screen recording video with your webcam on your computer. Very simple to start doing something like that. You don't need to get all fancy and get, a huge studio setup and all kinds of different tools, editing tools, and all sorts of fancy stuff that you think that you need in order to start creating these simple products. You don't need to make it complicated. Like I said, it's very simple. The process is very simple. You just need to do it. You just need to take action. You just need to start with something Start small, and then later on, as time goes on, you get bigger and bigger, and you start to get more elaborate with your creations. But the most important thing is just to get started, right? Just get some information, get some valuable information. It just needs to be valuable. Just need to have value that you're delivering to somebody. Okay, if somebody gets a 4-page guide and you can deliver enough value in a 4-page guide that you can sell for either $7 or $14 or even $27, $47, it all depends on the information. Sell a 1-page guide for $7, right? A checklist for $7 or something like that. That's all you need to do just to get started. So step number 3, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to now set up your store. Right? Set up a store that you can list your products, that you can start selling. You've created the products. Now it's time to start selling them. There are some very beginner-friendly platforms that you can be using too. Platforms such as Stand Store, Beacon Store. All right. You can set up a store using these, or you could even make it even more simple and go over to Etsy, right? Gumroad. You can start creating on those ready-made stores with their own audience and, database of people that are already there, right? You could start also using, WordPress, create your own blog, create your own website using WordPress. Very simple to do. It doesn't need to be complicated. You can just use a simple template to do it. Very easy. And like I said, these are all very beginner-friendly options that you can choose from. Then once you have your store set up, let's move on to step number 4, right? Step number 4, market and sell your product. Your products are ready. Your store is up. How do you get the traffic? How do you get the customers? How do you get the people now coming to your store to start buying some of these products? Well, here are a few different beginner-friendly ways that you can do so. TikTok and Instagram Reels, short videos on TikTok and Instagram. Start showcasing your product. Start talking about your product. Start talking about what you're doing. Making short videos, 30 seconds long, 45, a minute, 2-minute long, right? Just start doing simple videos. You may not be, completely professional. You may not be, the best at doing that, but you just got to get started and start growing as you're learning. Then you can start also doing long form, using YouTube, and start creating more long form videos on YouTube, just like this. You see, just like this video here that you're watching on. Start creating longer form videos. Just make sure that you're delivering value, have value-packed videos that people could receive value, right? Just like this video here. Hopefully you're getting some value from this video. All right. If you are getting value, hey, smash that like button. Let me know that you like it. Let me know that you're liking the video, that you're finding some value here, right? And as you're marketing, as you're doing your thing, you're driving traffic, everything, using your videos, using social media posts. Direct people to start building an email list, right? Direct people down and you could also deliver, give away a free gift, and you can start building a list so that you could start doing email marketing, start building relationship through your email list. Another social media platform that's great, easy, great for beginners is Pinterest. You don't want to show your face. You can start using Pinterest and start creating pins. And in the pins on Pinterest, you can start directing traffic to your store, right? Pretty cool. The key here is just to pick 1 or 2 of these platforms and just focus on it for a while until you really start building up, and then you could start spreading out to other types of social media platforms. Step number 5, this is automate and scale. Once you start making sales, now it's time to start scaling your business larger. With this, you can start creating more products, right? Start creating more products, listing more products on your store, start bundling products, bundling some of your products together, creating little bundles, right? You can see how I'm doing that on my store as well. Down below in the description of the video, I've got a link over to my store. You can check it out. I show you how I got some of these products that are bundled together, or you can get some of them a la carte, right? You can do the same. Check out my store. You'll see how I've got mine set up. Then eventually, as things are really working through your funnel, through your store, through everything like that, you can start buying ads and driving traffic with paid ads to your store. It's great the best thing it is to do is to start with free organic traffic and using social media to do so. And then once things are really working, then you could, when it's come time for this step here, scaling, then start purchasing some ads at that point. And then, like I said, as you're going through all this, throughout all your marketing, you should, try and capture leads, capture email addresses, start building your list, and then you can start making connection through your list, building relationship through your list. And as you create more products, now you're able to start letting your contacts know about what you're creating, any new products, and then they can go to your store through you sending out a newsletter or something like that. The best part and the greatest thing about all of this with digital products, like I said, is once you've created your product, once you've listed it on your store, once it's there, great, you're golden. You've created it once. You can sell that same product over and over and over again to multiple people. All right. It's once created, start selling it to many people. That there is passive income. Why? Because your store is automated, right? Your store, you've created it once. You don't need to create it again. And then your store is using an automated process where somebody can come to your store, purchase the product, and the store actually, it gives them the link and how to download the product. It delivers the product, all of that automated. You can be done. That all can be taken, can be done while you're sleeping or you're out and about in your life doing whatever it is that you're doing, right? That is actually passive income with income using what's referred to as an income producing asset. It's an asset that produces income anytime now, right? And all you do is now focus on creating more of those products. That's why this is one of the greatest businesses for people to start, is a online business with digital products using digital marketing to promote and market these products. So if you're ready to get started, well, you need that step-by-step blueprint on still putting all of this together and want some good coaching and mentoring on this, check out my marketing bundle down below in the description. It lays everything out for you. It makes the whole process simple. I've got a deal on it. It's very simple. Like I said, just follow the blueprint, follow the process. Okay. And then of course, like I said, if you found any of this information, any of this video here valuable, found it helpful at all, make sure that you smash that like button, drop me a comment down below, and make sure you're subscribed if you're not yet subscribed for more videos like this. And right now, I believe YouTube right here, YouTube is recommending this video, saying this is the video that we believe you're going to want to see. And next, check out this video. I'll be there. I'll see you there. And bye for now.